Hello everyone, welcome to Fix It Up. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix steering on your tractor. This is a 1983 Case 220. It's been a very reliable tractor, it's well built, and there's a few things wrong with it. First off, the steering wheel, when you go to turn it, it just stops. It makes a horrendous noise and it just won't turn. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the steering and see what we got to do to fix it. If there's a way to do it without spending any money, we're going to go ahead and try that first. This tractor has gear systems. When it turns, there's spacers that keep the gears together. Sometimes on this model the gears will loosen up, so we're going to go underneath and take a look, and if we can just simply tighten it up, we're going to do that first.
Okay, so I was able to go online and download a free manual, and this one shows me that at the bottom of my steering, I have two gears and a nut that holds it on. There's several washers that are used as spacers, and I need to take a look at this area to see what it looks like.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and locate the steering gear somewhere underneath here. Okay, here's your steering gear. This is the spindle that turns when you turn the handle. This is the gear that moves the lever right here, that moves the rod as it goes down to the wheel. So if we turn the wheel, we can see that there's quite a bit of play in that. If I look at it close, it almost looks like the nut is just a little bit loose. So we're going to go ahead and tighten it up. And this is a 9/16 wrench. Sure enough, it is very loose. Snug it down. Let's check, see how we did. Okay, so there's still a little bit more play. So what I'm going to do is follow this down to the wheel. Okay, so we have some slop here at the tie rod end. And now it's nice and solid. Now we'll come in here and grease the fitting. And we'll go ahead and do the other side and see how it does. Alright, today we did pretty good. It took us 3 wrenches and we were able to fix everything that was wrong with our steering. So as you can see, the gears weren't aligned very well because the nut wasn't tight. Worst case scenario, your gears might be stripped out, or you might even be missing a few teeth in there. If that's the case, you should be able to reorder those gears, take the nut off, reinstall it, put the nut back on, and it should work just fine. The case seems to be working well. When you turn the wheel to the right, the wheels actually turn down. When you turn it to the left, it works pretty good, almost like new. A little bit of slop, which is okay. The suspension's really old on it. But all in all, it seems like we did a good job. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I hope it saves you a little bit of time and money. Please leave your comments below. If you have any tips or tricks you'd like to share, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and have a great day.